Be your husband's lover. You have to make your husband understand that he is loved by you, so he will try to be a better husband for you. 4 facts you should use. Number 1. Distance between you and your husband. Let your husband go out with his friends. Be kind to your husband at this time, so that he comes back to you like a child. Number 2. Don't forget to give thanks as soon as possible, and don't think it's his duty. Number 3. Empower men by laughing at their jokes. Men are attracted to women who laugh at their jokes and are able to understand the jokes. Number 4. Compliment your husband to make them happy without message, call, and email, but by praising your husband in gathering of friends and family. Men are easily tamed and their fluted men's power comes from women.